Good morning mga kaberks. Part 2 po tayo sa arithmetic sequence. So let us solve this problem. Example, find the sum of the positive terms of the arithmetic sequence 85, 78, 71. So ang hinahanap nila is the sum. No, sa formula natin, n is n over 2 e1 plus en. So simple lang, no? So ang e natin is ilang terms? So 3 by 2. Ang e1 is 85. Tapos ang en is 71. Okay, ito yung first term, ito yung last term. So it 3 over 2, 85 plus 71, that is 15, 6. Okay. So 156 times 3 divide 2. That is 234. Yan ang sum. Okay. So let's have this example. The second term of an arithmetic sequence is 7. So second term niya is 7. The sum of the first 4 terms is 12. Find the first term e1 and the common difference d. Okay? So given muna, given. Ano yung given? So 4 terms siya, 4 terms. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Ang given niya is the second term arithmetic 7. So dito ang 7. So wala siyang e1, wala siyang en, wala din siyang d. So ang given niya is 7 dan pati ang is n, total is 12. Okay? So anong formula gagamitin natin? Okay? To find d, ano yung formula sa d? Dito ang difference niya, no? Ito ang d. Ano yan? So 7 minus e1. Ito yung e1, en. First term, last term. So kung kukunin natin ang d, 7 minus e1, yan ang d. Yan ang difference. Diba? 7 minus e1. Okay? So dito tayo sa en. En equals e1 plus n minus 1 times d. Okay? Saka natin. So ang given, ang en is wala, no? So ang e1 wala din. En. Ang n natin given kasi 4 terms. So 4 minus 1. Ang d, substitute natin ang d. D natin is 7 minus e1. Okay? Simplify natin en. E1 plus 3 times 7 minus E1. Okay. So, En, E1 plus 7 times 3, that is 21, minus 3 E1. Okay. So, En, E1 og negative 3 E1. Negative 2 E1 plus 21. Okay. So, another formula. Ano ba yung isang formula nga is N? So, given yung is N. So, N over 2. Tapos, E1 plus En. Yan ang second formula natin, no? So, given ang 12, ito. Ang E natin is 4, divide 2. Ang E1 is hindi given. Plus, ang EE natin is mayroon na tayong En, no? Ito. So, substitute natin dito. Ano natin? So, minus 2 E1 plus 21. Okay? Natin para makita. Okay. So, 12. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Tapos, E1, copy lang. O, naging negative 2 E1 plus 21. Okay? So, divide natin ng 2 dito, divided ng 2, naging 6 to. 6. So, E1 og negative 2 E1, that is negative E1 plus 21. So, transfer natin yung E1 dito. Ang 6 doon. 21 minus 6. So, ang E1 natin given na is 15. Okay? So, solve na natin yung E1. No? Kanina, hinahanap yung E1. So, solve natin yung D, yung difference. So, sa D, so, mayroon na tayong formula, mayroon na tayong kuhan. So, 7, D, yan ha. Seven minus E1. 7 minus 15. So, ano yung that is negative 8. Okay? So, substitute natin doon sa blanco, E1 up to sa En. So, ang E1 natin is 15. Ha? Diba? 15. Sa first term, second term. Ang third term, ano yung third term natin? Kasi negative 8 siya. So, negative 1. Diba? Negative 8, that is negative 9. Kumpleto na tayo, no? Sa given 15, 7, negative 1, negative 9. Check natin yan. I-total natin yan sa calculator. Ang total yan is 12. Okay? Okay, let's try this example. The first, second, and the in terms of an arithmetic sequence are 2, 6, and 58 respectively. Find the value of n and the sum of n terms. So, given tayo, meron tayong 2, 6, and 58. Okay, ano yung hinahanap natin is n pati yung sum, yung Sm. So sa formula, En E1 plus n minus 1 D. So, mayroon tayong given na sa in term 58. E1 na to is 2. E natin is, hindi natin alam kasi ilang term yan. 1. Ang D is, so difference nilang 2. 6 minus 2, that is 4. Okay? So, transfer natin yung 2 doon. So, 58 minus 2 equals to n 4. So, 56 n minus 1 4. Divide natin ng 4. 56 divided by 4 14 n minus 1. Hey! Yeah. So, ang in natin is 13. Transfer na yung 1 doon. Ito pala. 15. No? Positive siya, so naging 15. So, ang in natin is 15. Tapos, sum of n terms, formula n over 2, tapos E1 plus En. Meron na tayong n, kasi 15. E1 natin is 2 plus 58. Okay. 15 over 2, 58, that is 60. So 15 times 60 divided 2, that is 30. 15 times 30. 450. Okay. So, ito yung sum of the n terms. Ito yung in. How many terms yan? Okay. Okay, for this example, the 10th term of an arithmetic sequence is 10. No? 10th term. And the sum of the first 10 terms is negative 35. Find the first term A1 and the common difference D. So, ang given niya is na sum, that is negative 35. Tapos, ang last term niya is 10. So, ilang terms siya? 10 din. So, given ang N, given ang En, given po ang 2 total. So, solve first muna ang E1. Ang E1 is hindi given, no? So, formula, total, n over 2, E1 plus En. So, ang total is negative 35. Ano yung n natin? That is 10 terms. So, 10 ka-terms. By 2. E1 is not given. Ang En is, that is the last term, 10. Okay? Negative 35. 10 divided by 2 is 5. E1 plus 10. So, divide natin yung 35 divided by 5. That is negative 7. E plus 10. E1 pala. So, ang E1 natin, transfer natin yung 10, naging negative 10. So, ang E1 natin is negative 17. So, solve na natin yung E1. Yung difference, so ano yung ibang formula? En, E1 plus n minus 1 d. Ang E natin is 10. E1 natin is negative 17. Ang n natin is 10 minus 1 d. Transfer natin yung 17, naging positive. So, 27. 10 minus 1, that is 9d. Okay? So, divide 9. So, ang d natin is 3. Okay? Okay, let us solve this last example. How many terms of the arithmetic sequence 1, 3, 5, 7 up to the last term will give a sum of 961? So, ang total daw niya is 961. Given yung E1, yung common difference is given din. So, ang hindi given dito yung last term, pati yung ilang term siya. So, ano ang hinahanap nila is yung n. Okay? So, sa total natin is formula is n over 2 E1 plus En. So, given ang 961, n over 2, ang n is hindi given, ang E1 is 1, ba? Ang En is wala. Okay? So, kukunin natin dito yung En. No? So, multiply natin 6961 times 2. So, multiply natin doon. That is 1922 and 1 plus En. Okay? So, meron tayong ibang formula. Okay, so divide n. So, 1, 2, 2 divide n. 1 plus en. Okay. So, ang en natin is 1922 divide n. Transfer yung 1 minus 1. Okay. So, another formula. Meron tayong another formula. En E1 plus n minus 1 d. Okay. So, ang en natin is given na, no? Ito. Lagay natin dito. N minus 1. Once E1 natin is 1. Plus n minus 1. Ang d natin is 2. Di ba? Common difference. Okay. So, simplify natin. Yung negative 1, transfer natin doon. 1922 over n. Transfer na itong naging negative. So, 1 plus 1, that is 2. Plus n minus 1, 2. Okay. So, 1922 n. Substitute, that is 2n minus 2. So, cancel. 2 positive, negative 2 cancel. So, ang natira is n 2n. Okay, ano? So, multiply doon. So, naging 1922 2, dalawang n squared.